I am a contractor. This is what I will do if this will be my house. First thing, when I'm researching the company, I will really dive deep. Who is this company? What else can I know about this company? I can see their work, I can see their team, I will social proof everything. I will make sure they are a reliable company. I will read reviews. I will really dive deeper. What's their process? Is that process gonna go with me? And also I will for sure visit their Google social media. Like Facebook, YouTube. I will really dive more into them. What I will do is I will call them and really have an open honest conversation. For example, expectations, timelines, what's the most important thing for me, what's their process. Like really have an open honest conversation. Also I will share my dream with them so they can help me out. And according to that dream, I would hope they can share ballpark pricing with me. What something like that may cost. An average. Doesn't have to be accurate. Just an average pricing. And then once that makes sense, it aligns with my budget, aligns with my timeline, and I feel good, and I did enough research background on this company, I will set up an appointment. I will not set an appointment until I do all the research. Otherwise, it's going to consume a lot of my time. So after that, when they come over, I will really have them put time into it. Really do a deep research about what potential surprise can happen to the renovation. Give all the information to the house, share a picture of what I want, so you can really grasp what I'm hoping to build. What's the most important thing for me? What's my pain points on this project? So with that information, he can put a better budget for me. So I know I'm expecting a lot, but I'm willing to cover the time invested. But I need that detail. I need help. I don't just want to give me some whatever number and then I need to understand how much it's gonna cost. My other dream. Just can do once, we do right. And then from there, I'm hoping they can put a budget for me, saying that here's something for your dream, and here's what it may look like, and this is why. And then from there, I will ask for a render, because I need to picture what's actually they capture what I'm hoping to see it. And also the option I can tweak it. Once we have that, and the final document, once I see the final process gonna look like, and everything is on the scope of work, the final document, that's the only way I will sign the agreement to move forward. Now, after that, I will also ask him for what's the plan to produce, when you're starting, when this timeline is gonna happen, like what's the process, when do I need to make decisions, really to understand how they manage the project. So that's what I will do if this will be my house. So I don't know if that helps or not. You take care.